Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will copy a string in Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm using Eclipse. So we have here the title string in string copy, string copy in Java. Okay, so we have here the word copy a string in Java, string s. So to copy, we declare another string copy equals new string with the s, and then we display and then end a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us run. So we have here the output, string copy in Java, copy a string in Java, and a program. So if we modify the word here, let's say information technology. Okay, save. When we play, string copy, information technology, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on string copy in Java programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.